Stampers, this is Melissa the Stamp Dog. I wanted to get on here today and share with you the Trucking Along Stamp Camp because today is the last day to order this. So this is a fun fold stamp camp that features 4 cards. You'll get the supplies to make 2 each of these 4 different designs. Each one features a different fun fold, and they also serve as a gift card holder. So I wanted to show them to you and tell you a little bit about what you'll get in your kit. So this is the first one here. These all use the Trucking Along stamp set, which is an online exclusive. You won't find that in any of our catalogs. So this one has your little gift card holder right back here, and you can place your gift card right there inside. This one right here opens up like so, and you have your gift card holder right here and your little trucks and a place for your greeting there. And then we have this one, and oops, there's a gift card there. And our final one here, this one's actually my favorite because it gives you a lot of room to put things. So it actually is a tri-fold up. So in the stamp camp, you're going to get the cardstock pre-cut and scored for you. You'll get any of the die cuts that you need, but you will need the stamps and the ink and stamps, ink, and then I will be sending you a full package of the Joy of Christmas Designer Series paper that you'll be able to cut. You'll be able to mix and match those patterns however you choose. So if you prefer this little floral pattern instead, you can do that on all your cards if you want to. You'll also get a full embellishment or ribbon, and you're going to get those little gift card holders. I believe there's 20 or 25 in a pack. So you'll be able to make even more cards after the fact. So the cost of the stamp camp is $39. You're getting about $26 worth of product, and then the rest of that covers your shipping and your pre-cut cardstock. If you want to add on the Trucking Along bundle, that includes the stamp set and the truck punch. You can do that for an additional $41.25, and you won't pay any additional shipping or tax on those items. So that is an add-on in my online store. So if you would like to purchase those, I'm going to put the description in the comments if you're watching this on Facebook, or in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. So make sure you get those orders in today by midnight. Today is Monday, November 20th. I will be placing the orders for all of the products tomorrow on November 21st, and you can expect these to ship by November 29th, and then however long it takes for it to arrive to you. But you should have it in plenty of time for your holiday crafting. If you have any questions, just email me at melissa@thestampdog.com. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, and thank you so much for watching today.